Good morning dear kids. I'm taking you exercise 22b and problem number 14. In my previous video you must have taken till problem number 13 and this is your problem number 14, and it says an aeroplane flying horizontally 1 kilometer above the ground. So this is your ground level, this is your aeroplane, it is flying here. Okay. Okay. This is your aeroplane. It's flying at an angle of 60 degree. Okay. Then it flies. Okay. It goes in a straight. After 10 seconds, the angle of elevation was observed to be 30 degree. So aeroplane जो यहाँ पे था अब यहाँ पे आ गया है. अब इसको देखने के लिए यही ग्राउंड है. Okay, but the angle of elevation has changed. See, everything when you are doing, you just imagine what you are doing. आपकी आंखों का एंगल कैसे चेंज होगा अगर एरोप्लेन एक दूरी पे था और अब थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेट जाके थोड़ी और दूरी पे आ गया आफ्टर 10 seconds. So that means from here to here it has taken 10 seconds to reach. So the time is given to you. And the height, that is कितने height पे horizontally ऊपर जा रहा है, that is 1 kilometer. You can write 1000 meters. Clear? So now if I name it as, this is A, B, C and this is D, this is your E. So can I go in triangle A, B, A, C, B? If I go with 10, 60. This is the bigger angle, so it is 60, this is 30. Okay, this is the bigger, that is 60. Okay, I have 10, 60 is equal to AB upon BC. 1060 value is root 3. AB I know it is 1000 meters. Upon BC I don't know. So BC once I'll get, it will be 1000 upon root 3. When I conjugate, or you can say when I rationalize, it will be 1000 root 3 upon 3. So that's your answer for what? BC. Okay. What you have to find is, you have to find the uniform speed of aeroplane in kilometer per hour. So you have this time. You have time, and if you got the distance, of this, that is BD, आपके पास टाइम है, डिस्टेंस है, तो आप स्पीड फाइंड कर सकोगे. तो आपके पास टाइम किसका है? ए से लेकर, दिस इज योर ई, ए से लेकर ई आने तक टाइम है, लेकिन ए से लेकर ई आने तक डिस्टेंस आपके पास नहीं है. And if you can make it out that AE is same as BD, so if I got the value of BD, I will say that I have the distance, I have the time, and I can make out the speed. Getting my point? So main target is to find BD. How you will find BD? Now I got the value of BC. Now I'll try to find out DC, and then I'll subtract and find BD. So how I'll make it? DC find करने के लिए I'll go in triangle ECD and I'll go with 1030, that is DE upon CD. 1030 value I know, it is 1 root 3. DE is 1000. Why 1000 I have taken DE? Because same height ना, AB की जो height है वही DE की है. Clear? So I got upon CD. From there I'll get value of CD as 1000 root 3. Now my dear kids, I have BC, I have CD. When I subtract them, what I will get? I'll get BD. So BD is what? CD minus BC. Your CD is 1000 root 3 and your BC is what? You got BC also na, 1000 root 3 upon 3. So once you rationalize, once you take LCM, it will be 3000 root 3 minus 1000 root 3 upon 3. Yes, my dear kids, are you getting my point? Very clear. Okay. Once you got this, 3000 minus 1000 will be 2000 root 3 upon 3. 2000 into 1.732 is the value of root 3 upon 3. When you solve this, my dear kids, you will get what? BD. अब BD जो है वो is equal to EA है या AE है, because the opposite sides of rectangle are same. तो AE का आपको डिस्टेंस मिल जाएगा, AE का आपको स्पीड दिया हुआ है, क्या आप सॉरी ए का आपको टाइम दिया हुआ है. कैन यू नॉट फाइंड स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम एंड फ्रॉम देयर यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ स्पीड. Yes, my dear kids, are you getting my point clear? Yes, the time is given in seconds, and if you want to make it in hours, so you know very well how to convert seconds into hours. You have to divide by 60 into 60, that is 3600 to make it into hours. And distance you will get it in, I guess distance is in meters. So you keep it meter per second, that is fine.